guys, welcome right back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a slime video, so let's get to it. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to start off, dang it, where'd that thing go? Oh, hold on guys. Okay. But first you're going to start off by cutting these little pieces off if you have a plastic cup. Cut the other side. Okay. Then you want to cut the middle. You want to keep cutting all the way around. If you want it to be lower, you would cut a little more to where your pieces is. Just so y'all can see, you know what I mean, see it. So I said all the little pieces you got cut off. You want to throw them in the trash. If you got a trash can somewhere. Okay, sorry I'm wasting time. But this is what it's gonna look like when you're done. So, but if you can go check out my 2 different ways to make slime. Here's the other one. I didn't be able to show you how it turned out. I threw the other one in the trash. One I did, the second one I did, but this is the first one, and so this is the one. It turned out great, so I would really prefer you to do this one. It's gonna be a little sticky, but I will just let it sit in the air freshener for a little bit, and yeah, man, then it'll be good. But it turned out good, so let's get back on track. Oh, and yeah, you can use clear slime. So let's get back on track. And so guys, I'm going to be trying a different, if this is going to be a fail or not, but I'm going to be trying a different slime one test. So I'm going to be using the shower gel. Don't have to just use any shower gel. That's kind of jelly and stuff. Like, that's kind of, use something that's kind of jelly. Something jello, like something more jello-y to use. See, you want to pour it in there. See, you don't want to come out, so I will just use my tools, kind of in there. Something that's jello-y, you know what I mean? So you want to keep. I'll be back when I get all of it out. So guys, I didn't get all of it out, but I got most of it. So that's good. And this is what it looks like. And we're going to be doing the same method we did. But instead I'm going to be using the other one I had. And so we're going to see if it works with every product you use. So I'm just about to see if it works with every product. It seems like it's trying to work though. From where I'm looking, it kind of seems where it's trying to work. So, pour some more. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it's not a fail because I really want this to turn out great. So, it's kind of trying to mix. Like it's kind of trying to get right. But it's trying to. All I'm going to say is it's trying to. So yeah. Gonna do it again. see what happens. 4 pumps already. And so it seemed like it's trying to get watery or something. I don't know what's going on with this. But I don't know what it's trying to do. Like, is it trying to form or not? I think we're going to change this video into, like, this how many ways to make slime. Because this first one is a fail. But I'm going to keep stirring. Because you never know. It might turn out right at the end. It's like the jello part tries to get the attached. But it seems like it just don't want to get together. So, don't want to do it. So this first one is a fail. So you just want to pour it out. I'm pouring it out in the sink and I'm just going to use the same one method I just did. And my phone is on the charger, so that's why. Okay, so I'm just using I just got finished doing that first one, guys. That first one did not work. So we're going to go to the second one. I'm going to try. So do not try the Jello E1 at home. It just depends. Maybe I did the wrong Jello part one. But it just depends on which one you get. So you never know. It might actually turn out right. It probably will. But just to be sure or whatever, I wouldn't do this for a second time or nothing like that. I just wouldn't, because I don't think it will be my method. So I'm going to try a different one. Hopefully this one turns out better than the other one. I'm going to do the lotion. I'm going to see how the lotion turns out. I'm only going to do a little bit because I don't know how it turns out. So this is what the lotion looks like. Guys, let's see if it's going to I sprayed a little bit. Hopefully it don't turn out watery like the other one did. Hopefully it turns out the same way. Put this back up. It won't be so messy in here. Hopefully it be the same way, guys. I don't know what will happen. So, just trying to stare. I don't know what's going to happen, guys, because it don't look like it's going to turn to any type of slime. It's just being regular lotion. I don't know, guys. So, this second one is a fail. Stir it up. Okay, so you know that other one was a fail. And I know, right? Some stuff just don't work good with other stuff. So it didn't work good with that one. So like I'm really trying to figure out what is gonna work good with like. So I'm gonna try the shampoo one and see what happens with the shampoo. And let's see if it actually turns out how it's supposed to turn. So we're gonna do this again. We spray one and let's see what turns out. So it doesn't look like anything. It looks like it's just, sorry I had it all the way up there. This ain't gonna work. But you could try one of these, another one of these, and it actually turns out right. Oh my god, it kind of worked that when I poured that water in. It really did. I keep dropping it. It starts to got slime, slimy a little bit, but it did in there. So, guys, I'm not sure what I'm doing, what I'm supposed to do, but this kind of, all these ones are kind of completely a fail. But everybody saying that the shampoo with salt is working. I don't know what they're talking about. I don't want to know. But they're saying that dish soap with salt is working. So I'm going to either try the dish soap salt, or I'm going to try I'm probably going to try the shampoo with salt. So I'll be right back, guys, when I get all the stuff together. So, guys, I'm just trying to see if it's still going to work, because I have kind of had a little water in it. So, we're going to see how this turned out. Hopefully it turned out how I want it to be. Hopefully. So, I'll stir that in with a little water inside. Okay. Moment of truth. So I add a little salt. To be honest, I really don't think this is gonna work. It kind of looked at first like it was gonna work, but I don't know. Did I add some? I didn't, guys. Gotta go get some more. Be back. So, guys, I just went in the kitchen and I drowned it in salt. Like, literally. So I'm gonna add a little more of that stuff at the top. But if you can see it, I don't know. But that stuff on the top, I drowned it. And so I don't know how it's gonna turn out now, because it seems like I drowned it in salt. It probably won't turn out right. I'm just gonna add all different type of products and see what happens, cause it seemed like it don't. I just added liquor starch just to let you know. Okay. Now I'm gonna add this. Oop, added too much. That's too much glue. Oh, it actually kind of wanted to stir up when I added that the glue in. I guess glue helps with everything, because it always comes together when you add a little bit of glue. It kind of came together, I'm gonna say. Well, I think it kind of came together. Tell me if you think it came together a little bit. Comment. So it kind of came together, guys. I only got 15 minutes to do this. So I'm just trying to get as much as possible as I can after the video to see if this will work or if this will fail. So while I'm doing that, while it's trying to come out, come on. Okay, guys. Alright, got 14. Alright, guys. Almost time. It's a complete. Drum roll, please. Da, 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 da. Complete. It didn't fail. It worked.